This is the first time ever that a deck of cards has been put in this order. Well, probably. Unfortunately, this isn't special. In fact, every single time a deck of cards is shuffled, statistically, it's the first time that that deck of cards has been put in that order. Let's think why that is. In a normal deck of 52 cards, there's 52 possibilities for the first card. For the second card, there's now only 51. For the third, 50. And so on and so on. This means to get the probability of a specific order of cards, we need to find 52 times 51 times 50, all the way down to times 1 to find out how many ways a deck can be shuffled. In maths, we call this a factorial. 52 factorial is pretty big. To put this into perspective, let's start a timer for 52 factorial seconds. Let's stand on the equator of the Earth and take some nice slow steps. In fact, let's take one step every billion years. Once you make it all the way around the Earth, take one drop of water from the Pacific Ocean and lap the Earth again. Once the Pacific Ocean is empty, place a sheet of paper on the ground and refill the ocean. Continue this process over and over until you have a stack of paper that reaches the sun. Your timer won't reach zero until you complete this process 3,000 times. That is a lot of combinations.